Tesla Cybercab ramps Robotaxi public street testing. Tesla Cybercab is being spotted with increasing frequency both on public roads and across the grounds of Gigafactory Texas, suggesting that the company's road testing and validation program is ramping meaningfully ahead of mass production. A total of 25 Cybercab units were recently observed across 3 separate locations at Giga Texas by drone observer Joe Tetmeyer, with 14 metallic gold units parked in a tight formation outside the factory exit. 9 more at the crash testing facility, undergoing structural and safety validations, and 2 additional units at the west end of line area for final checks. The activity on public roads is just as telling. The Cybercab was spotted testing on public roads for the first time last October, near Tesla's engineering headquarters in Los Altos, California, marking a significant development in the vehicle's progression toward commercial readiness. As expected at that early stage, a safety driver was present in the seat. Since then, sightings have only become more frequent. Community observers on X have posted fresh footage of Cybercabs navigating public streets in Silicon Valley, with each new clip adding to a growing body of evidence that Tesla's validation efforts are well underway. The production backdrop supports the momentum. Tesla's production line at Giga Texas moved into a higher volume early in March, representing what observers are calling the largest single-day grouping of Cybercabs seen to date. Tesla Cybercab spotted testing on public roads in Los Gatos, CA March 10, 2026. CEO Elon Musk has been clear-eyed about what to expect from the ramp. It's an all-new product and radical redesign of car manufacturing to achieve 5x higher production rate, which means the output S-curve will be very slow in the beginning, but ultimately super high volume. Musk wrote on X for Cybercab and Optimus, "Almost everything is new, so the early production rate will be agonizingly slow, but eventually end up being insanely fast." Tesla ramps Cybercab test manufacturing ahead of mass production. Musk has also stated that Tesla is aiming for at least 2 million Cybercab units per year across more than one factory, with a potential ceiling of 4 million annually. With testing activity on public roads accelerating and factory output visibly increasing week over week, the coming months at Giga Texas are set to be pivotal in determining how quickly Tesla can bring the Cybercab from validation to volume. Source: reposted and summarized from Gene at teslarati.